Hi, this is the Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see safe password on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. We need to use lots of passwords in our daily life, and they're often complex and difficult to remember. Forgetting them every so often is essentially impossible to avoid, making saving them to your Mac very useful. You might not know this, but if you're using Mac, Monterey or later, your Mac is equipped. So, how to see your safe password? You can open your system preferences and go to password. From here, you can just enter the Mac password, and here you can see all the password that save on your Mac, like your Gmail, your Google, your social media, or even your WhatsApp. You can see the passkey in here. You can manage all your password in here. From here, you can also import and also export all password on your Mac, and you can also add new password in here. You can click on plus icon in here if you want to add new website and add your password, save your password in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to see save password on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.